Before, I always believed that lemons would dry out and rot, no matter how long you kept them. That was until I tried this method, and you'll be surprised because even after 1 year, the lemons are still green. Not wrinkled, not soft or mushy. And when you cut them open, the smell is still just as strong as the first day you bought them. The best part is, this method is extremely simple. Anyone can easily do it at home. Hello. Great to see you again on the LifeKreativ channel. Today, I want to share with you a small but very useful secret to help keep lemons fresh for a long time. When lemons are cheap, you can buy a little extra and store them. So when prices go up, or when you suddenly need lemons, just open your refrigerator. No need to rush out and buy more. In this video I'll show you several different ways to preserve lemons. All of these methods are effective. Just choose the one you like and apply it at home. First, wash the lemons thoroughly. This step is very important because many people buy lemons and put them straight into the fridge without washing them properly. That causes the lemons to turn yellow and spoil very quickly. If you wash them correctly, you can't keep them fresh for a long time. The process to extend lemon freshness is actually very simple. First, rinse the lemons with clean water to remove any dirt and impurities on the peel. You can gently rub each lemon in a bowl of water, or soak them briefly for a few minutes to loosen the dirt, removing sap and tiny dust particles. Next, sprinkle some baking soda on each lemon. Baking soda helps remove pesticide residues, stubborn dirt, and other impurities. Rub the baking soda all over the lemon like this until it completely dissolves. Baking soda not only helps keep lemons fresh longer, but it also reduces bitterness in the lemon peel. After rubbing, and soak in water for about 5 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse them with clean water 2 to 3 times. Then let the lemons dry completely. It's really nice that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Now we've finished the basic steps to keep lemons fresh longer. Next, we'll move on to different storage methods, so they can last for months or even up to a whole year. Method 1. Store the lemons in an airtight jar with absorbent paper. This is one of the simplest, cleanest, and most effective ways to keep lemons fresh for a long time. The paper helps absorb moisture inside the container, while the sealed box keeps the lemon's aroma fresh. Make sure the lemons are completely dry. Wet lemons are more likely to grow mold. Take 1 to 2 sheets of paper towel and fold them to fit the container. They absorb moisture and keep the environment dry and airy. Place each lemon on the paper towel. Avoid stacking too many lemons together. Add another layer of paper if you have many lemons. This prevents pressure and bruising. Close the lid tightly and store in the refrigerator, away from extremely cold areas. Stored properly, lemons stay fresh for 2 to 4 weeks or longer. When stored in an airtight jar, zip-top bag, vacuum-sealed container, or the fridge, the lemon peel stays firm without wrinkling or shrinking, and the flesh remains juicy, while the natural aroma stays fresh and intact. Check every 5 to 7 days and replace damp paper. Do not store lemons near apples or bananas. They remain green, juicy, fragrant, and unwrinkled. This method is clean, simple, and economical. Method 2. Soak lemons in water and refrigerate. Just grab a glass jar. This makes it easy to open and close. Add the clean, washed lemons to the jar. Arrange them neatly so the fruits don't get bruised or pressed on top of each other. Mix 1 liter of water with half a teaspoon of salt. Light salt water helps prevent spoilage by inhibiting the growth of bacteria and mold on the peel. As a result, the lemons stay fresh for longer. Pour the solution until lemons are fully submerged. This method keeps lemons fresh for 3 to 6 months. Seal tightly. Open only when taking a lemon to limit air and moisture from getting inside. Each time you take some out, remember to close the lid right away to keep the environment inside the jar stable. Continue with Method 3 for longer storage. Method 3. Wrap the lemon in paper in a Ziploc bag. Best for storing lemons 6 to 12 months. Wrap the lemons tightly in paper towels to absorb any remaining moisture on the peel. This layer of paper helps reduce direct contact between the lemons, reducing the risk of bruising or spoilage spreading. Then secure it tightly with a rubber band. Place them in insulated Ziploc or foil bags. These types of bags help stabilize the temperature while limiting light and air from entering. As a result, the lemons lose less moisture, spoil more slowly, and stay fresh for a very long time. When you take them out to use, the lemons still have firm, taut skin, with juicy flesh and a natural aroma just like when they were first bought. So you can confidently use them over time without worrying about waste. This method is extremely effective for long-term lemon storage. You can also use vacuum or sealed containers. This method minimizes the amount of air that comes into contact with the lemons, limiting oxidation and the growth of bacteria. Thanks to the stable storage environment, the lemons are less likely to develop dark spots on the peel, spoil more slowly, and stay fresh and flavorful for a long time. Method 4. Wrap lemons with plastic wrap. A simple and effective way to prevent moisture loss. This method helps limit direct contact between the lemons and air and moisture, thereby slowing down moisture loss and spoilage. As a result, the lemons can be stored for much longer while still retaining their original aroma and quality. Place the lemon in the center. Wrap it tightly several times. Wrap it tightly, especially around the stem end. Plastic wrap locks in moisture, helping prevent the lemon from drying out or losing moisture. Place it in an airtight jar or a zip-top bag. This method helps improve storage effectiveness, reducing air from getting in and maintaining stable humidity. So the lemons stay fresh longer, spoil less, and can be used gradually over time. Keep away from very cold areas in the fridge. Keeps lemons fresh for 3 to 4 weeks or longer. Lemons stay green and beautiful, without wilting or drying out at the ends like when left out. Method 5. Freeze lemon juice. Preserve lemon juice for years. You can put the juice into ice cube trays or use special freezer bags, then store them in the freezer. Just squeeze the lemon juice, then put the juice in the freezer. You can pour it into ice cube trays or small plastic containers used for dipping sauces, like in restaurants making large cubes that are convenient to use. This way, you'll always have lemon juice ready to use all year round. No need to worry about running out or buying it frequently. Just use the right amount when cooking or making drinks. The rest will retain its fresh flavor and natural acidity. Don't throw away lemon peels. Remove white pith to reduce bitterness. It's really nice to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe. Thank you for your support. Next, put the lemon peel into a bowl of water and rinse it clean. Gently scrub or shake to remove dirt, impurities, and any leftover peel residue. Cut the lemon peel very thinly. Dry quickly when baked or sun-dried, helping the lemon peel retain its bright yellow color. After cutting the lemon peel into evenly thin strips, place the peel into a clean bottle or jar. When adding the peel, arrange it gently and avoid packing too tightly so the strips don't get crushed. Add salt to the jar. Salt will help inhibit bacteria and reduce bitterness. Add a little dish soap to the jar. Just a few small drops are enough. Add warm water, not boiling. Store in a cool, shaded place to prevent high temperatures from causing the lemons to lose moisture and spoil quickly. Lemon scent and color develop naturally. The lemon peel gradually turns a bright yellow or yellow-green, looking attractive. Shake well for 20 to 30 seconds. During the first 24 hours, the water turns a light yellow. After 48 hours, the mixture's color will be noticeably darker than at the start. Gently shake the bottle so the mixture forms a light foam. Spray onto kitchen items. Wait 1 minute before scrubbing. Suitable for bowls, cutting boards, stoves, and sinks. The simplest and most effective peel use. Keeps your kitchen fresh. Natural, gentle, and effective for daily cleaning. What do you think? Please leave a comment below. Share this video if you found it helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.